Candidate number 3, April Chan Amarillo.
Candidate number 4, Jamie Tayo.
Candidate number 5, Daphne Alico Mataspak.
Candidate number 6, Blessing Adriano.
And candidate number 7, Anne Lorraine Aguilar.
For our minister, Kalikasan, candidate number 1, Germany Gabi.
Candidate number 2, Kevin Troy Molon.
Candidate number 3, Liberty Amberto.
Candidate number 4, Alfonso Rivera.
Candidate number 6, Stephen Cabrera.
And candidate number 7, Lucien Carmen Milan.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. May we have the phone number for them?
Same.
Ayan, sino kaya ang mag-worthy?
Number 3! Number 3! Number 3! Number 3! 3! 3!
Ayan, so, I guess they can
Three.
Everyone has their own bell.
Tignan na natin, puntuhan natin ang mga mamamayang Pilipino. For candidate number 1. Palakpakan na lang candidate number 1. Candidate number 2. Candidate number 3. Number 4. Candidate number 5. Candidate number 6. And candidate number 7. Praises for the male candidate number 1. Candidate number 2. Candidate number 3. Candidate number 4. And candidate number 5. Number 6. And number 7. Okay, so, ma'am, nakikita natin yung gasan yung mga punto ng kanilang mga supporters. At masasabi natin itong contest na ito, hindi lamang nagbibigay ng pag-asa sa ating lahat na kaya-kaya talaga nating pangalagaan ang ating kalikasan. Kundi masasabi natin, this is really the time para mas paigtingin natin yung ating pagnanais na mapangalagaan yung ating inang kalikasan.
And that is also a manifestation that we Filipinos can use our creativity in using different indigenous materials. As we can see, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, imagine, out of maybe nothing, nakagawa sila ng isang napakagandang obra.
True enough. Out of nothing, they were able to build one that is worth seeing.
Yes.
Number 3! Number 3! Number 3!
So, paano kaya ito?
Number 3! Number 3!
Ng Media Pirata, kung paano natin iaanap. Mga anak, saglit. We can help it. Of course. Game 1.
Of course, silence listening.
Siguro interviewin muna natin ulit sila, pero ito ang interview ng Bondoveri naman. Ayan. Kamusta ang nararamdaman ng bawat isa? Kanina nakita ko at malapit na natin naramdaman na sila ay ninenervyos.